Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to the Rebuild series. Hope you guys are doing a good day as well in this Wednesday. This Wednesday night, of course, as well. Bigger updates, of course, into the M5. Only the roof has been resprayed. There was some little defects here and there, but mostly, of course, my dad cleared it off and sealed all those defects and try not to have a lot of those pinholes showing up in the paint. Other things as well, bigger updates, mostly that BMW for full respray. That's gonna be pushed off to Friday and Saturday. Is that the case? If that's really the case, mostly of course we want to finish the Honda CRV that we have in the shop. And but I didn't make a video about it, and which I was really was kind of like, oh, I totally forgot of making showing photos of the CRV. So I'll try to get down some photos tomorrow as well. But mostly, of course, we're starting working on some other vehicles as well, such as this Toyota Camry. Mostly, of course, it's been here. It's been dropped to us because it was quarter panel damage. Mostly a lot of this, so mostly we just started to cut this thing off. We not really need to be in the frame machine, so you started doing it in the on the first slot of the gate or the door, and basically just pretty much do it at the moment. Just cut it, get ready for the welds as well coming up pretty much maybe tomorrow, if not the other couple of days. But mostly, of course, we get closer and closer and prep it up into it as well. This slot over here for the headlight, I think this is going to be probably not replaced. It looks good. There's no little damages here and there, but the outer shell, the other side of here, the quarter panel, has been pretty much cut off as well. There's probably be more cuts over here and a little bit there near the door of the rear, so we'll see some other things as well. And just pretty much showing this last thing because I didn't really take any videos on that as well. But also the core panel from Toyota as well. You pretty much get the whole thing to the C pillar, which is kind of crazy and pretty big as well. Honestly, you get everything as well if you want to do a full replacement if it's more damage. But luckily, I think we're probably gonna do a cut over here, probably near the door, not near the door jamb, not all the way in. If it is, then probably it's gonna be the whole door trim. But hopefully it's not. Mostly near this, near the gas cap, and near the slots are at, and also here too because they cut this off as well. But honestly, not that much things we did in the shop. Nothing. Well, not that much photos as well. Spoiler, of course, has not been primered yet. That you guys saw the last video, so we're gonna try to do that tomorrow, if not the next day after. But also the Camry, I didn't post it on the older model Camry here, the darker red one here that been hit in the rear. This one's been pulled already. You don't see that much, but forgot took a photo of it, so my apologies from there. But honestly, this is some bigger things coming for this car, of course. Most of course parts are pretty simple to get as well. So honestly, it was a pretty good day. Just a pretty much relaxing, pretty much not relaxing. I mean, but mostly of course just part finding and getting parts delivered the next day as well. But pretty much that's pretty much what I want to say in this video. Not really again, not that much things happen as well. I know on the weekends could be a little bit crazier when the hopefully we can get the M5 spray into the can't say anything in the spray booth. Getting ready to get fully painted as well, so I'm super excited about that as well. But in that case, pretty much I'm gonna hit that. I'm just want to pretty much just sign off and pretty much saying have a good rest of your Wednesday night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.